5 ways to make your home a safer and healthier place. 1. Store your food in glass, not plastic. According to the Breast Cancer Fund, when putting away leftovers, use glass containers instead of plastic, which contain toxic chemicals that can wreak havoc on your hormones and even cause cancer. 2. Get an air purifier. The first step to good health is making sure you are breathing in clean air. Investing in a state-of-the-art air purifier can help mitigate the risk, although sometimes the particles are too small to be filtered out. 3. Plant a garden. Plant some trees around your property, or if you don't have the space, start a small garden. People who live in areas with more green space face less crime, less vandalism, and tend to be happier overall. 4. Get a pet. Need a reason to finally adopt that dog or cat? A study published in the Clinical and Experimental Pharmacology and Physiology concluded that pet ownership is associated with positive health benefits, including improved mood and emotional state, lower blood pressure, and reduced cardiovascular risk. 5. Ditch the Teflon. Don't use non-stick cookware, which exposes household members to toxic fumes from the synthetic polymers used to make non-stick. Instead, cook with cast iron or stainless steel. So in conclusion, these are the 5 ways to make your home a safer and healthier place.